What's the difference between rating and hosting? It can be a little bit unclear, but we're gonna go over it in this video. But before I begin, I want to thank our sponsor, Own.tv. On Own.tv, you can get everything you need for your stream. Twitch emotes, overlay packs, but also alert packs. For example, here, if we go to Twitch alerts, we can see all kinds of alerts here. Some of them are even in different languages. So in this one, we can see a donation, a follower, host, raid, subscription, and cheer alert. Own.tv really likes to help you improve your stream, just like me. And you know what's even more amazing? You can get 50% off on everything on their website by using code Trui. Link is down below in the description. Okay, so what's the difference between a host and a raid command? So they're both for supporting the streamer. But let's start with a host command. What is a host command and how can you do it? Everybody on Twitch has their own Twitch chat, even if you're not a streamer. You can get there by clicking on your icon and clicking on channel, and then clicking on chat. Then you get to your own chat, even though you're not streaming. But if you do stream, you probably know where your chat is, right? Then here in the chat, what we can do is we can host somebody by typing /host and then the name of the person. For this to actually work, the person needs to be live. So we could host one of the people that's live that I'm following, or for example, just somebody you were watching and you really enjoy. So what's happening if we actually do it? So for this, I would just host somebody so we can actually see what's happening. So here we're gonna host John. Okay, he's thanking me for the host right now, but this is just for the tutorial. But if you guys haven't followed him yet, he's an awesome streamer. But like you see, right now on my channel, you see, that's my name. It says that we're hosting John here, and John's stream is on my channel right now. We can still pause it and everything, but the chat here will be our own chat, and we won't be seeing his chat. That's what hosting does. You just see the stream on your stream. So if you want to unhost them, you don't want them on your profile anymore, you can either wait until they're done streaming or type /unhost chat. Boom. Now it's empty. He's off my profile right now, and we stopped hosting them. So a host is basically a way to get people to see the streamer more by showing them off on your own profile. So the reason why you'd host is just to support this streamer. Hosting is usually done by streamers, but also by viewers. Okay, now we're going over to rating. Rating is usually done by streamers only. You can do it if you're not a streamer, but it's kind of expected that only streamers are doing raids. A raid you do at the end of your stream. So if you stop streaming, you can type /raid and go to somebody's stream. This kind of works like hosting, as in the fact that their stream is going to be displayed on your profile, just like on hosting. However, all the people that are in your chat participating in the raid are actually going over to that channel. So if we would do John again, it will start the raid here in the top. And you see all my viewers starting to join. I don't know how there's 4 people because like I'm making this tutorial. There's 5 now. Apparently we're raiding with 5. And we're going to John right now. People in the raid can cancel it here. This is just what you see as a streamer, but you can cancel if you are one of the people watching as well. You can cancel a stream here. If this timer runs out, you start going to the other channel, but also if you click on raid now. At the start, you need to wait a couple seconds because some people need to log in before you actually click on raid now. I've cancelled the raid because John might think that I was actually streaming as I came in with 5 people. But we are not, so I don't want to give him a false hopes of me raiding him. That would be a little bit mean. But what happens if you raid is you just gonna go all over to his channel. So we would actually happen to go here, which is his channel. So that's literally what happens if you raid. And a little message in his chat will appear with Trui has raided with 5 people because there were 5 people in here. And then his chat will start running. So you see that some people are typing in here. You will literally be on his profile. You will see his things here. You will see his panels. You will see his chat, you will see his link, probably with his referral and then some referral code behind it, so Twitch knows that it's a raid instead of like somebody's actually gone there. However, the rest of it is just his profile and his stream. So the biggest difference between a host and a raid is that with a raid, you're going to the other person's channel, and with a host, you stay on your own channel. If you raid though, you automatically also host. So if you go to your own channel, you'll be hosting this channel as well. A second difference is that hosting is usually done by anybody on Twitch and raiding only by streamers. If you raid somebody, usually people expect you to be done with your stream, even if you're raiding with 1 person, because not everybody has hundreds of viewers. If you're considering raiding somebody and you don't have that many viewers and your counter just says 1 person, don't be afraid. People do appreciate it. And if you got two people that you rated that didn't appreciate it, pick somebody else, because there are plenty of people that do actually appreciate a raid, even if it's with one person. Rating and hosting are kind of similar. This is because Twitch started out with just having hosts, and they thought rating would be a better way of experiencing a host. Before, we all hosted somebody and then everybody was expected to go to that channel, but now it's just easier with rating, as you automatically go to that channel as long as you don't cancel the raid for yourself. Another question that you might have is who can raid? You or your mods can start the raid up. And when can you start a raid? You can start a raid whenever. You can even do that when you're offline, but it's kind of expected that you do it at the end of your stream. So you say bye, you go to the end screen and click on raid now. The benefits of raiding are kind of the same as hosting. You just really help the other streamer out. And with raiding, you also kind of have a tool of networking by telling them that you're also a streamer because you just stopped streaming and came to that channel. If you guys have any more questions about raiding or hosting, leave them down below in the comments and I will react to them all. If you want to learn more about Twitch, I do have a whole playlist all about Twitch things right here. And I also made a shorts channel that I want to start posting on next month. You'll see that there. And if you haven't subscribed yet, there.